Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Right, so today we're going to be making a pencil lidded pot. We have got 72 pencils from Crayola. It's going to be a lidded pot, and I'm looking for either a bocote, I think it's bocote or ebony finial on the top. What I'm going to try and do with the pencils is, instead of having them coming straight, I'm going to try and get them to do a sort of a twist as they come up. Let's get cracking. Thanks again for the subscribers that have come over to my channel, really means a lot. Right, so what I've done is I've found an old lid off one of the many pots I have, and what I've done is I've just drilled a hole in the centre, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to place that over the top, and then I'm going to tape this down onto the pot to stop any of them pencils from being able to lift up. And afterwards, once it's all set in place, what you do is we'll just trim this off on the bandsaw.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can see. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go, take a step back, see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors,
So guys, there it is. The little lidded pencil pot. It's got a little bocote finial in the top, which I think turned out quite nice. I do like that wood, it's one of my favourites, to be honest with you. It was a choice between that and ebony, and I thought the grain in this would actually go better with the pencils, so that's why I chose that. I have had a couple of little bits sort of chip out on me, but oh well, first part and all. I enjoyed doing it. I don't know whether I'd do, well, I would do more pencil projects, but I wouldn't necessarily go out my way to do them. Yeah, but it was fun. It was really fun to do. I do need to get a smaller chuck, as you probably saw in the video. That is a big chuck. I think that is the SK 114, I think, from Axman. So yeah, the Evolution SK 114 chuck system. It's big. I do need to get a smaller one, really, with some smaller jaws to make my life easier when I am doing these smaller projects. But yeah, really fun. If you haven't done a pencil pot or a pencil project before, I really recommend doing one. They are fun. You do have to be careful not to chip out the pencils, and I suppose there's lots of different ways you could actually get different effects with the pencils. That's just one way I chose to do. But yeah, I hope you liked the video, guys. I've got lots more coming up. I've got a lot of projects on the go now. A couple of them bigger than others, a couple of them smaller. But yeah, if you like the video, guys, please hit that subscribe button. Also that like button, it really does help me out. And I will see you all again next time.